This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Align Right Realty. Welcome home to this rare floor plan featuring an over 840 square foot attached in-law suite. 2 homes in 1. This highly desired floor plan offers the best in multi-generational living. The in-law suite offers a private entry, a living room, kitchenette, full bath, large bedroom and in-unit washer and dryer. This setup is perfect for in-laws, college students, or out-of-town guests to have their own private living quarters. The main living space offers over 2,500 square feet alone and offers 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths and a bonus loft space. The open floor plan makes hosting a breeze, and you will love sitting on your back patio watching the sunset over the pond. As you make your way upstairs, you are welcomed into a large loft space, perfect for a child's play area. The upstairs offers 2 bedrooms, a full bath, an upstairs laundry room for convenience, and a large master suite. The master suite offers beautiful views of the pond, a massive bedroom, and a master bathroom built for a king. This floor plan is one you won't want to miss. This beautiful home is located in the highly desirable Triple Creek neighborhood, which offers residents resort-style living with 2 community pools, a splash pad, 2 clubhouses, parks, playgrounds, tennis and basketball courts, walking trails and so much more. Priced this competitively, it will not last. For more information, review the details below or contact Align Right Realty at 813-480-5169.